Hey, how's it going? Welcome to this new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase the volume in Google Chrome beyond the allowed limit. This video isn't just about how we go to Windows and turn the volume up to the maximum. If we come here and right-click to open the mixer, we can raise the volume. What we're really going to do is increase it above the maximum that Google Chrome, YouTube, or the website you are on allows. This works for Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge Brave, which is the browser I'm using, and even for Opera, which accepts Google Chrome extensions, etc. All you have to do is go to the description of this video where this page I'm showing you appears next, and where it says link, it says click here. Just click there, on the next tab, and it will open this new tab that says Volume Master Volume Controller. In this case, I think I should remove it from Chrome because, as the great poets say, I don't download it because I already have it. So in this case, what you are going to do is add the extension to Google Chrome, and it will appear. So how does this work? Very simple, very easy. What we are going to do is open any video in our Google Chrome browser. In this case, I will open this one, and the following will appear. So let's pretend that I have already turned it up to the maximum. I'm watching this video, and no matter how much I turn up the volume here and increase the volume on my Windows, I can't hear it. So, right at the top right, once we've installed the extension, these bars will appear, which look like a Wi-Fi signal but pointing to the right. So I just click there, and what will appear is the following. What we do is take this, it says the volume is at 100, and we turn it up completely. We turn it up, we turn it up, we turn it up, and there we will see an improvement. But for you to notice it, what I'm going to do is be quiet, obviously, and we will see from the lowest volume to the highest volume what we achieve. So I'm going to set it here. I'll show you so you can hear it. So here, I'm going to lower the volume on my PC to 8, well, to 10, and I'm only going to leave the volume at maximum on YouTube so you can hear how it sounds. So, with the volume at minimum, this is how it sounds in this program. Now it's going to go up to maximum. You won't notice any difference since the only thing I'm doing is turning up the volume so I can hear it. So you can significantly improve your results while studying the topic. So, as such, you won't notice any difference. Now the difference comes, and we will do it during the video playback. I'm going to let the video play, and you will see how I'm going to open this and turn it up, and you will start to hear it louder and louder. So I'm going to play. Success. We need to set aside some prior concepts. A while ago, I had the idea in order to be successful, one had to be very smart or have a certain level of success. Well, as you could hear, the volume was turned up to the maximum, and it indeed becomes distorted. The downside of doing this is that we are slightly distorting the volume, and if we have our speakers or headphones, listening at a level that is too high can damage them. This is recommended for videos or audio that are very low in volume. It works if we open a SoundCloud page. It appears as such. It also works for Spotify, YouTube Music, Amazon Music, or any music streaming provider you use. However, it is advisable to increase the volume a little but not too much, so you don't damage your ears first and your speakers or headphones second. And basically, that's all for now. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.